light it up, represent, gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again. Light it up, gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.
Alright. Something here quickly.
Chad, how are we doing though? Okay, this seems to be fine now on my
Is it
end.
working? Oh, we're getting 500 megs per second. Okay. Let me just check what the upload is. Download is fine. Ping is 10 milliseconds. Upload 250. Should be fine though.
Should be fine, yeah. It's better on my end now.
Better.
Chad, how are we doing though? How was the weekend? Check that, just check it in there.
Bro, something's
off.
yeah. Chat disconnected there. Successfully connected. Do we still have the chat there? Chad. Hello. Yeah, everything's off here again.
It's back up.
Wait, are we back?
It's back.
What? Wait, give me 1 second. I just need Kate to phone them and check. Chat, I'm gonna be back. Give me 1 second. Something's up with the internet.
Chad, hope you're good though. Hope everybody has had a lovely weekend. From our side, we do have some connectivity issues, but let's get it resolved so that we can get this stream running smoothly. So we can continue our win streak. Just want to get gold mapped. I think gold has some beautiful potential today. Zoom is fine on my end. Chad's back. Yeah, there we go. YouTube's back.
I don't know what is happening here. Okay, Chad, we're gonna try our best. We are online with our ISP. But before we start, let's pray. Maybe you think a prayer can pull this through.
Definitely,
I think a prayer can pull it through. Chad, let's get ready. Let's pray here.
Obviously, it's out of our hands. But I am here, but obviously not stable. But just to let you know, I'm looking for some gold cells. Current daily though doesn't have that bottom rate, so let's check it out. Chad, are we moving here, Chad? Drop a 1 in the chat if we're live right now.
Chad, you guys missed the prayer, but let's.
We just want to see.
back.
Okay, there we go.
Yo.
There we go.
Yo, okay. Are we back? I don't know. This is quite amusing. Bookmap was not a message.
Shit. My Zoom is running though. My Zoom's fine. It's like coming and
on and
go.
off, on and off.
The devil is last dag, yo. But Miles, Zoomy. Yeah, bro, the MFX member Zoom is running, so I don't know what. Miles, you always. Let's assign, take the no days off, bro. No days off.
Okay, Chad. We are back. I think we are back. Let's see. Are we back? I don't know. Let's check. Give me a one. Internet should be fine. There was an issue. 1-1. All right. Just give me 1 second here. All right, Chad. What is happening here? Okay, markets are open and in motion in 5 seconds. Let's just see ding, 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 ding. A little bit of a rough start here this morning. We're going to check shortly. Okay, we're going to have to blitz through a few things. 12 o'clock, we've got CPI coming out of Europe. So that's the only thing that we've got on deck here. We've got some PMIs coming out. So relatively straightforward on the news front. Then jumping straight over to the charts. Monthly candles closed as well, Chad. I'm just going to drop to the lower time frames just to make sure we don't miss anything. All right, DXY in the middle of the range, so nothing pressing there as of such. US 30 currently also within the Asia range, previous daily high, previous weekly high also there. Massive jump on Friday. I just want to see the weekly. Just want to settle in, Chad. Just want to see what is cracking, and then we can start easing into the analysis. I just want to make sure there's nothing that is potentially setting up. Nasdaq also relatively flat. Gold. Okay, gold is a very, very interesting one. Let's just see the weekly here. Weekly closing. I'm bearish on the week. Just by the way, just want to let you guys know that I am bearish on the week. The key thing for me why I'm bearish on gold, can anyone tell me why I am bearish on gold? There's a key thing to look out for here. What is it? Let me know if you can spot it. Main reason why I am bearish is that beautiful. Look at that. Taking a previous weekly high and completely flipping, taking out 2 weekly lows. So I am bearish. Just be aware that we could first pull back. We are now breaking out of this daily range. We also rejected the, I think it's the yearly R1 if I'm not mistaken. It is the yearly R1. So that is the daily zone we're breaking out of. We also have a minor zone here. So you can almost look at this as a very tight range. You can look at it as an order block, whatever you want to look at it. I just see it as a range. And this is effectively, once we get out of this range or we hold it, that is where we can start to make some moves. We have a bit of a open gap from Sunday, still not yet fully closed. Oh no, it is actually closed, it would seem. But 2 levels for me, 2868, and then monthly pivot Asia lows. So this zone here is quite critical. That is quite a critical zone on gold. So currently just still within the range. Pound USD, how did the weekly close? Weekly closed, beautiful. Okay, interesting. Weekly for me is still relatively neutral to bearish. So I'm going to say NB for GBP USD. Daily quickly. Daily was also nice and firmly bearish on Friday. However, interesting one. We're going to have to monitor that zone. Because remember, we're still effectively in that range. Miles, we're back, my brother. Chad, yeah, you can go break even on this trade. Up about 50 pips. Yeah, I take...
What do you mean?
How to get this?
What do you mean break even?
Chad, okay, then GJ last one, then we're going to go over to Miles. You can eat Bolton. You can. GJ on the weekly for me is just not clean at all, and the reason I say that is we are effectively inside of this weekly range. Okay, so GJ is relatively chalked. The daily as well is also we're still working with this. So yeah, I don't know what to tell you on GJ. Lower time frames, we've got something to work with. Is that if we hold this zone, I actually want to say this entire zone, because that is 189. It's quite a big zone, but if we can hold above it, that's going to be super bullish for me. But if we break below it, this 189, the reason I say this entire zone, because breaks below here, sell continuation. Asia lows a little bit too close for comfort to the weekly and daily pivot, as well as that 189. So I want to say this entire zone is a no trade range for me, and holds above here very nicely bullish. But I'm going to go over to Miles. If there's anything I see that I like, I will let you guys know. But Miles, you are up, my brother. Take a deep breath and get into it.
Let's just quickly sort two things out here. Okay, boys, let's see what's happening. So, I'm going to focus on gold, just because I feel like the GJ move I wanted kind of happened already. Blessed enough that the MFX members caught that, so that's very nice to see. Well done, boys. Big for me right now. This is the first bearish engulfing candle since last year. That's big. Okay, so with that being said, there's something we spoke about last week, is when is that turnaround going to come, and also when that turnaround comes, it's going to hit quite hard. So this is why we had some shorts in the panel van last week, played out very nicely, taking those shorts on Friday privately with my MFX members, as well as Thursday as well. So daily and weekly, not opening up with a bottom wick, that already gives me signs that we need to create that. Not to say we're going to fill the wick, but that will be the idea this week, to see if we can make that bottom wick as well as fill the wick of the previous, trading beneath a QP level 2850 on that daily. Looking to see if we can simply just continue the candlestick anatomy that we have right now. Price creating a lower lows and lower highs on the way down. Once again this morning opening up, creating a lower high, anticipating that if we go ahead and flip that opening candle to start driving down and fulfill the wick on the left hand side, and then eventually to create that lower low. One thing I do need to understand right now is if I go the 4 hour, I can already see it on the daily, but if I go the 4 hour, there's going to be a range on the left hand side. This is a trade that we've actually taken previously up. If you can jot back your memory to around the beginning of February, these are the longs that we caught as we've exited this range on that 4 hour. So the idea is going to be that, look, if we go ahead and flip that current daily low, we're going to understand that price should fill that wick. Now, I'm not going to target the entire wick fill, but that can be a confluence that I can add to my analysis right now to say if we break those lows, price can drive further down. If you come to the 4 hour, I've got my selected zones: 4 hour low, 4 hour high, mid range, which is right there. If you look to the left hand side, this is that same level that we are at right now. So as I mentioned on the daily, my nose feels very congested, so apologies if I sound like I'm under the water, guys. But if you look to the left hand side, we've got my highs, I've got my lows. That's the same range on my daily. You guys can see that, right? That is why I'm saying today, even though we can anticipate a wick fill, that's not going to be my target, because we could see 2850 and start rejecting to the upside, just because overall I am still bullish on the pair. It's only my micro time frame that's starting to print bearish. We need to close beneath 2815 to be 4 hourly. Give me 1 second, actually. There's my leg there. There's that. No, actually, 4 hours actually bearish now. So it's sitting on a 2v2 right now, boys. With that micro time frame starting to actually change the sentiment to the bearish side of life, which is quite nice. I mean, we want to see that. And if we look at that overall 4 hour structure as well, here's my push pretty much. So you've got the drive, the pullback, the drive, the pullback, drive, there's your pullback, continuation drive, all the way up to those highs, pulling back, equal lows, and then you've got equal highs until price area breaks the resistance there. And then my nearest support level obviously is going to be where price came from, which is there. So that's where price turned bearish at that point, driving us further down. Highs, lows. So that's my leg right now that needs to break for me to turn bullish. So with that being said, if we look at the structure overall, this is pretty much your period where price consolidated, gave us that initial leg. There's the breakout, here's the pullback, there's phase 2. So all I'm going to understand now is that price should be retesting the level 28.75 and then continue further down to those lows. But like I mentioned, the daily zone for me is very important right now, with my high time frame still being bullish. So if we're going to be tapping into this level of liquidity here, I can see price start pushing away from the level. So that is something that I need to monitor as I approach 28.50. Obviously, if we trade beneath that, that's fine. But as we approach it, we need to be, I'm going to say, cautious as we approach that zone. Okay? So the 4 hour, I need to understand that 28.57 that's going to be my daily flip, which is going to be my daily lows being created, as well as there's a zone there. So when I get to that lower time frame, I really want to see, do I need to take the trade before that or after that? Personally, I'm going to want to take the trade after that. So what I want to see is, this zone's about 20 pips, right? So what I want to see is price to start trading beneath that area. I don't take the trade there. I wait for price to pull back, and as it starts to penetrate through those lows, that's when I get involved. Because then I have the idea that as you start to flip that daily, momentum should come in. As we start to break that 4 hour lows, momentum should come in. I gave a beautiful explanation on Friday to my members, how I see liquidity and how I trade liquidity, because it's very important to me. The candlestick anatomy is also very important to me. So I focus quite a lot on that. So on the 30 minute right now, guys, I am more so focused on the shorts on gold. That's what I want to see. 15 or 30 minute closure beneath the level, like this. So 15, 30 minute closure beneath the level for something like that. Next candle just simply just pop up, and as it breaks the lows, I can then take that execution with the idea that the daily is going to wick for the 4 hours, going to flip its low, and then your 30 minute has a stunning L to A on the left hand side for price to come further down. I would like to see that. And then just need to rectify something, because I'm actually seeing that now on the 30 minute. We're actually bullish on the 30 minute. Let me explain to you why. Lows, drive. Here's it here. There's my pullback, creating the high, second leg down. That's my leg there. Price then came up, broke that leg, testing as support for price to obviously push to the upside. That's my 30 minute idea. But with that being said, oh, I feel like I just sneezed. There she is. With that being said, just because that 30 minute is bullish doesn't mean that 4 hour can't continue, as we are overall with a bearish idea now on that daily. So this is what I want to see right now. Are we going to start to close beneath the level? Tap in. As we tap in, I'll take the shorts. And if not, the buys for me personally is only going to come above this area. So there's my 30 minute level right there. If we can start trading above that, then I will look to long. Yeah, that looks nice actually. So this is the idea for me right now, guys. More so on the sell side of things, but the buys can happen if we close above this micro level right there. Targeting QP 28.75. So let's see. One of the two boys, this will play for gold. Either close above a retest and a drive to those highs, or rejection off of that area. It's equal resistance on the left hand side. Also my 4 hour retest level for price. They come down and trade further down. So let me just pop these areas in for you. So no trade range in there. Aggressive buys up here. And then aggressive shorts down here. I will change that bias now. Quite straightforward. I like it actually.
What is that, GJ?
Gold.
Gold.
Gold actually looking very nice, guys. So that's my rapid fire, and that's on gold. GJ. GJ's a no trade for me. I'm not trading this, boys. Just have a look at this. Somebody can look at this. I'm not trading that.
That is very nice, bro.
not
That is
sure,
if you want to become a swing trader. Eh?
Yes.
What time frame is that?
That's the 4 hour.
Sure, that's
So
nice.
for me, it's chalk,
That's
boys.
nice.
I'm not even gonna
barcode in there.
look at GJ. I definitely see how I could have taken shorts. Stunning, great, awesome. But for me, I'm gonna pass. Gold's the one. That's me. I'll be back.
So you're gonna eat. Eating. All right, Chad. As we settle in here now, let's quickly look at the weekly on US30. Very, very interesting. Last week we spoke about this level. US30. Okay, two things for me on US30 that I want us to quickly go through. Is the following. If I say one more time, that's not going to be good. There's two things for me on US30 that I want to look at. We've got this potential double top. Let's call it a topping formation where the market topped out now. So that is a strong resistance. We can clearly see market not comfortable trading above there. But now also with that being said, if I look at the weekly, I've got this going on. We've spoken about this. What is this? We've got this broader range that we are in. So consider this to be your broader range. Okay, on the weekly. And then also looking on the monthly. Look at what the monthly did. The monthly is also within this consolidation hold. So for basically 4 months, actually almost 5 months, we have been in this expanded range. So this is a multi-week, multi-month consolidation. So that is why it could have been maybe tough, a little bit tough if you're trying to swing on US30. But now looking on the weekly, I cannot be 100% bearish on this, and I cannot be 100% bullish on this. And why do I say that? Because this could have been just lows being refreshed, getting some new buyers in for the next move up, or this is just a structure that is being formed to be broken down. So you'll see the weekly push up a little bit, break the previous weekly high, and then actually close something like this. All right, so that is the two probabilities here. So I'm just giving you guys the scenario. The daily, on the other hand, for me, is a reversal formation for the following reason. We had a minor break of structure there. You would have expected this candle, the next one, to continue down, which we didn't. We've broken that low, and now effectively we've closed above here, which is bullish for me up until we get back into that range there. And we also have that minor breakout zone there that we can retest. So the daily for me is bullish. So how do we get involved if we are bullish on US30? One thing we know is that it's very unlikely for it to just run above Asia highs in the previous weekly high. But if and so it does happen, it is worth a shot to get into some potential longs above here, with the idea that this could be, even if it's a liquidity run, even if we are going to reverse, what will most likely happen is you'll get a spike, and then everyone gets bullish, and then you will start moving down. So either way, that is the one scenario. The second scenario is we wait for Asia lows, or even wait for this weekly and daily pivot, which will happen a little bit later if it's going to happen. And those are the two scenarios. Hang Seng closing up 0.05. Nikkei closing almost positive 2%, 1.7. Going over to NASDAQ, looking at the monthly, you can clearly see as well, monthly massive range on the monthly, taking previous monthly highs, two previous monthly highs. You can even see with the bodies that it is very volatile and choppy at this stage. The weekly is still firmly bearish. However, the only thing is we did close bearish above that flat body support area. And on the daily, we are now trading above the previous daily high. And if we hold that, that is going to be quite bullish for NASDAQ. So I'm going to be neutral to bullish while we hold above the previous daily high, things can start to become messy below that previous daily high. So that is my idea there. Gold, I just want to see the monthly candle there. Okay, so we've got a monthly wick fill, so do expect the first 5 to 7 days create a bottom wick and then start to flip bullish again. The monthly is still super bullish. Weekly, however, that is why we can have another bearish week, come and retest this previous all-time high breakout and then start moving bullish. And then the daily is still bearish. The daily is still bearish. We spoke about this little zone here. How little is this zone? It's not too little. It is 120 pips. Okay, so it's not miles. It's not that small. It's big.
Not too bad.
It's big enough. And then GU. Oh, GU is a little tough here, Chad. I'm not gonna lie. GU is a little tough. If you really want to force the matter on GU, 12600 holds above, drive bullish, but there's the 200. Yeah, no, there's Chad, nothing on GU. Let me not. Over to Miles. Miles started yesterday with the carnivore. What are some of the highlights that you can tell me about it? That
it's funny. I'm literally reading through. I'm just making sure I don't eat the wrong stuff. Well, the highlight is definitely my stomach turning twice.
Is it explosive yet, or is
it hasn't been explosive yet? It's just
is it pellets yet? Is it cat pellets yet?
It's like, you know, when you build a motor for the first time and you must turn the crank over. I'm there right now.
Is it like a map 1 or map bubbles and pops?
At the moment, it's stuck. But when it does drop, it's like goat pellets. So it's it's first. Well, I'm in second day now.
Hey man,
not
Chad,
bad.
do apologize for a little bit of technical difficulties we had this morning. Something in the area with the line. Faulty spark plugs. Daylight savings, Miles. Somebody said end of this month. We're going back to the early streams.
You know what, eh? Is that for London as well, or just?
I think London happens first.
I think it's March
New York.
28th. The last time.
Clocks go forward 30th of March.
30th of March.
So end of this month, Chad. I can't wait.
So it's back to 8:30 sessions.
Yeah, I can't wait for that.
Okay, I'm down with that one. That means jump in the afternoon and not the morning. I actually prefer it though.
I love it because then you don't feel so, because I'm here from just after 7.
Yeah.
So by the time we start streaming, I've been here for 2.5 hours. Now you stream, now your day already feels long and it's only like 11, 12.
Yeah. I hear you.
Chad, and then daylight savings in the US starting the 9th of March. So then New York streams. I can't wait for it, Chad. Honestly, can't wait.
I think today's the chicken day, so I've just. I forgot my eggs, bro.
I can sell you for $20.
Oh wait.
And they range.
I got my
free range.
I got my chicken here.
The free range. I'll do a solid 160 for 6.
What? That
40
must
bucks
be
a pop.
the most perfect egg ever.
Chris, NYSE is next Monday. Yes. Chad, then also next week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we are in Cape Town with you guys. So we're still looking at one of the evenings, maybe going to grab dinner or something with some of you guys, the Chad. so we will let you guys know. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Seeing all the guys in Cape Town. I think there's 5 seats left. 195 registrants, 5 seats left.
Full house.
Full house. Full stack. I knew, yeah, no, I'm not doing the bookmap thing. I decided the issue with bookmap is I could be retiring at the end of the year, and I don't think you guys want that. I don't want it, so yeah. Using bookmap makes trading way too easy, seeing all of the volume. I want to keep it a little interesting. Otherwise, it's like a game with cheat codes, and I don't want to cheat at the game. So, yeah, no bookmap. It's close to Century City, Bev. It's literally close to Century City.
Okay, Chad, we got closure in the next 4 minutes. If this 15 can close beneath,
Shorties.
you will see me shoot my shorts.
How do I go about joining the paid Discord? I already paid for membership. Then you should be added. Any? When did you pay? No, I'm kidding, Chad. I'm kidding. No, so Bookmap will be up and running this afternoon again. We just busy finalizing all of the agreements with them. So once those agreements have been set, we are back up and running. And then also once we have the links for the 50% off, we'll share it with you guys, and then hopefully we can get everything locked in and do our first bookmap giveaway the end of this week. So for one of you guys to use it. And then also this Friday, Project G members, we are starting with the bookmap bootcamp. It's going to be every Friday for an hour. Going to start building on that. And then not this weekend, not next weekend, the weekend after that, we're going to have a Saturday morning bootcamp, 4-hour bootcamp, purely dedicated to bookmap. And that is basically going to, get you guys up to speed on bookmap. And we're going to start using it to its full potential.
Penguins.
Oh, yeah, Penguana. Miles, I want to say day 3. Day 3, day 4.
Tough.
Pellets.
Whew. Well, I know I'm bright tonight. Like,
Pellets, my
throw some
dude.
steaks on tonight.
You're still in that transitioning phase. The pellets are coming.
Yeah, my stomach is transitioning right now. Jay, 2 minutes. Closure beneath. I want something like this. My nose is choked. I can feel it. It's because I slept with the fan on last night. I feel dry inside.
Cameron, Edworthy, no, it's purely for Project G members, unfortunately. So no, it's not for YouTube. It is for Project G. Project here.
Neither close below. No close below. No trade.
See you later. I'll watch the stream later tonight. So Chris, if you guys come to KZN, I was thinking, yeah, Kaylin, we've got our sleeping bags. Me and Miles will fight for the couch, but we can make turns. Miles can sleep a little bit on the ground. I'll sleep on the ground.
We will even sleep voeten.
Voet teen voet.
Ja.
Rug teen rug.
Ja, nee.
Kan nie klaar nie. Bro, Miles speaking Afrikaans is the most legit thing I've heard in my life. Ja, nee, julle is sulke tyd. No, man, Brian. Come on, man. We as straight as they get.
Straight as the S-bend.
Hey. This is a 7 rand note. Good day, Krista. Keanu, on what are you trying it? Remember, the one-step discount is literally one step. That is the discount code. And then for the two-step challenges, it is literally 2 Gs. Ja, maar Chris die groot lepel. Hey, nee, ons los die lepels vir die pappies wat ons eet in die oggende.
Chad, no close for me on the 30 yet. Let's see if the 15 can provide that close. We literally need closure below.
Keanu, try that one step, or I think it's 1-1 step. It's either one of those two, 20% off. One step.
1 is 1.
1 is 1. 1-1.
Andre, hoe gaan het?
Bro, you gotta
Now
do,
my nose is...
you
man,
must
I
do
can't-
more.
I can't take myself seriously because my nose is congested, so I sound like naughty right now.
That close in liquidity for you won't take it, eh?
Yeah, I can't take it. Unfortunately, as beautiful as she is, but because she's in liquidity, can't
Hey, Andruska, terug op Project G. Chad, monthly competitions are live. You guys can go ahead and register. I don't know, the competition literally started today and there's already, boys, 20%. 20%. These gentlemen do not sleep. Well done to the winners. Luckily, no disqualifications for last month's winner. He legitimately only had one single account, so very, very well done to our winner for Feb. Ethan Kellerman, 80 millions, I believe. Yeah, 80 million. Very well done to you, my brother. Also, Josh Haup, second place, and then Semakweli, all the way from Zim, representing Zimbabwe in the top 10, 31%. And then after that, the gents just started to fall off. But then going back to the March comp already, Ethan Kellerman. Oh, sorry, I was talking nonsense. Ethan Kellerman is the current leader with 24.51%. Yeah, Chad, the boys are striking it, yeah. Iron is hot. Iron is hot.
What's that? Almost 30% in 3 days.
One day. Started today, the competition.
Yo, you guys. This was leg of the full pot. Miles Biddings, hij plaatst alsjeblieft in Afrikaans voor de stream. Yo, kan het doen niet, John. Als ik het doe, gaan we ons allemaal kopseren krijgen.
How do you join Project G? We've closed the memberships. You can't join. Project G, we only allow... It's a top secret group where we only allow 5 people in every month. And yeah, the information shared there is way too valuable to get everyone in. But once it opens up again, usually it doesn't open up again because the 5 that are in there stay in there. And what we do is we actually do like a process of elimination. So every month the price doubles. Up until they can't pay it anymore, then we get the next 5. And that is capitalism and inflation and supply and demand in one picture. So you can't join Prodigy. Sorry, my brother. Andre just took the 5th spot now. And he's paying a penalty fee for not being in Project G for how long were you out? So Andre actually had to, the months that he wasn't joined, he actually had to pay for that as a penalty. Because we kept that 5th spot purely for him. Because he phoned me and he said, Chris, I can jy stap nou op pad. Hou daai spot. So, yeah.
Biltong.
Yeah, here's my buddy.
Chad, I gotta do it. I'm hungry, bro.
Ja, nee.
Ons is honger though.
No, I'm kidding, Chad. You can't join Project G. I'm just talking a little bit of nonsense. Go to our website, 2G's Trading. I always get a little confused. Is the dash before the G or is it after the S? But I believe this is our website as far as I know. That is where you can join Project G if you want. You don't have to. It is not a necessity. But yeah, there's 2G's Trading. Beautiful website produced by one of the Chads, Frana. He didn't do it for free. We paid him, and he is an absolute legend. But don't tell him that, otherwise his ego will get the better of him. So we're trying to keep him humble and say, average, Frana, average. Sorry for anyone taking Chris serious. His high school friends deserve a trophy. They were actually worse than me, brother. Way worse. Way worse. Richay Channing. Gaan er al my vriend.
Skitterend.
Skitterend, manne. Lekker kerels. Koop my one tap. Frana, luister jy na die. Gaan jy dit vat? Is Frana in the chat?
What? What did you say? Gaan jy.
Nee, great. Goeie nie. Ja, Stuyvesant is een machine nou. Stuyvie blow. Chad, you know how Frana... I was actually the Murin for Frana. You know how I did our website? He hacked into our website. He sits in a meeting with us. He's like, hey guys, I want to redo the website. And this and that. And I'm like, oh, Frana, we really have a website. And we're keeping costs low, whatever. And it's like, oh, but by the way, I hacked into your website. I've got your database. And he strong-armed us. And I'm like, Frano, why would you hack into our website, my dude? He's like, no, I just wanted to show you guys what I can do. And afterwards, me and Keegan, we're sitting. I'm like, I'm actually a little pissed now at Frano. But at the same, in the same token, I actually have to respect it a little bit. The man coming in here and almost strong-arming us a bit. And I said, okay, no, Frana, you got it. Do it for us. Ja, hy het ons hier gearmdruk en in 'n kopklem gesit.
'n Kopklem.
Hy het ons in 'n kopklem en toe gooi vir Keegan in 'n full Nelson daar. Keegan het gespartel daar en toe ek draai vir Keegan afval, toe sit hy my in 'n ankle lock. No, Ned, you can't eat biltong, my brother. That is meat. How is that cheating? Chad, how is this cheating?
That for me is a life hack right now.
Bro, how can this be cheating? This is
I'm
meat.
gonna boot on the biltong.
Huh? Ned, this can't be cheating.
What do you have for breakfast, biltong? What do you have for supper?
I haven't had my eggs yet. I'm gonna try and do like intermittent fasting with the what's the name?
I had salmon, like raw salmon, cut up yesterday with soy sauce.
Wait. Brian, listen here. In all honesty, this is not a 300 gram portion. And secondly, this is for the entire day. I've had 4 little strands like that. Hey, the chat is on us here, Miles.
Oh. $5 clothes for the 15.
I haven't. Brian, this thing was literally empty like this. I just took a. No, man, chat. Come on. Daar Afrikaans sal enige brande se ys laat smelt. Hey, man. A Kurt Angle ankle lock.
Jou nou bes jy gesien. Nee, Chom. Ek volg nie influencers nie. Ek volg hulle nie.
Ja, Chadek, we are gonna. Let's just actually check now. Angelo, the previous owner of the Funded Trader, I'm gonna get him on a podcast. He was asking around a few guys, and I said I would love to have a chat with him.
Tell him I want my $100,000.
Did you have a funded account then? Hey,
$100,000.
let's see.
100,000.
Let's see if he's responded yet. That's gonna be interesting, him coming out of the woodworks now.
He's back as CEO? Oh, no.
Oh, is he back?
Oh, I reckon.
Where is he back?
Oh, God.
Yo. It's where are you rug pull, make all that money, leave, don't pay the guys, come back. Other people in this industry have a very short-term memory, or yeah, we are just challenged, a little challenged mentally.
Crazy.
Did you have some headaches or not? Okay, you only started yesterday, so you should be no headaches.
I just woke up very nauseous.
Nauseous, really?
No.
But
I
you
think it's-
shouldn't have a lot of fat though. Eh?
No, this is my problem. So knowing that I was going to go on the diet yesterday,
Oh, you killed it.
the Friday and Saturday,
You killed it. You tried to pick up 5 kg. I know.
everything.
I know that.
I had
know that.
every chocolate, every ice cream, every Easter
It
egg.
feels like they're gonna put you in a concentration camp, and
Bruh,
you
I
have to.
chowed everything, Chris.
Okay. No, that it will do that.
I chowed everything.
It will do that.
I'm not even lying. I think I almost spent like $2,000 just on sweets. Not even lying. Sweets, chocolates, ice creams, and like over half is still laying at my house.
So you got stuck in a little bit.
So I don't even know like why I would. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Just lay in my house.
Got my chocolates.
Got my chocolates. And you know that you know that Woolies dark chocolate brownie things, bro.
Dude, so what I do is I actually burn it a little bit in the oven, so it's got like a top crisp. So that top is a little crispy, with vanilla ice cream. It's most
So what I
probably
did was, I took like 10 of them, and then I put them in the bottom of a bowl. Then I
Wait,
heated in the
did you-
microwave
did
just
you
a
do-
little bit, and then I put that Woolies Stracciatella ice cream over it, bruh.
how
I was
do you,
after that.
how did you do 10, my dude? That is unnecessary.
Yeah, it's very unnecessary, but in my mind, all I was thinking about, you know what? I'm not gonna see it again. This biltong is hard. Wow. Loch Ness, I'm disappointed.
Logisch.
Okay, that's a 15 close from on gold. Nothing yet, guys. Patiently waiting. We have hourly 30 and 15 in 15 minutes. So let's see what sets up.
Sure, numbers coming in hard, yeah. Sure.
There we get that push now. There's a breakout resistance now.
Wait, check it out.
I gotta get that close above, boys. 4 hours just broke highs. $28.75 is BNR to downside, but I want to get into buys. Might be. I don't know what BNR is. Bring nog a. What can it be? Bring nog a robot. I don't know what it is. For me, that's my quarter pip level. So that's my weekly level, $28.75. So buys into that, I'm fine with that. Lamington's words, man. I don't think I've actually. Wait, I don't know if I've had it. Break and retest to downside. I don't think I don't see what you're saying, to be honest with you. There's this other thing I wanted to try though. It's like a Lamington,
Yeah.
but it's dipped in chocolate. Like the whole thing is like dipped. No, it's not Lamington. It's a finger, a sponge finger dipped in chocolate from Woolies. Woolies has this crazy stuff, and that's what I eat all. So that's how I went post this weekend.
What is happening?
It was yellow line you drew this morning. Yellow line I drew this morning, bro. On gold? Did I have a yellow line on gold?
Why can't I get
But like this, if price can close like this, brilliant. Then I'm gonna wait for something like this. So it's D. Long, boom, trade. Honestly, Brian, I can't remember, brother. Too much was happening this morning. Oh, the yellow lines. Oh, I see what you're saying. But guys, we got hourly close in 10 minutes. I'm gonna wait for that. $15 also with a very shallow bottom wick. Now we wait.
Why is it doing this?
Where's Lyndon today? He's not here.
Chad, sorry man, I'm just busy getting bookmap back for us here. GCJ5. Okay, there's obviously something.
Which dog is Scooby-Doo based off of? A Great Dane.
I think all, yeah. Oh, I gotta pee, but I gotta. Okay, wait. I'm gonna pee quick. I'll see you now.
Miles, how long are you doing the diet for? I don't know, brother. Honestly, I don't even know why I'm doing it, to be honest with you. But one thing I can do, I'm gonna try to run it until we come to Cape Town. So next week Friday, next week Wednesday. Yeah, I'll try to run it till next week Wednesday. Because in Cape Town, it's out the window. I'm telling you that now. Cape Town, it's alles wat malice. What dog is Scooby-Doo based off? Why is this made? I think it's a Great Dane. Is it a Great Dane? There's Lyndon. What's up, brother? Oh, Kylo. You boys plan on getting a little loose in Cape Town? Definitely not. We never get loose. We don't do those things. We are all married men. Okay, 8 minutes. I like gold a lot. Come surfing when you guys are in Cape Town. Yo. Hey. Oh, Tarek, is this a challenge? It's a challenge I see. This is a challenge I see. Gareth, I'm gonna have to decline on that one, brother. I don't want to drown. I would love to see I would love to see Chris surf though. No cap. I think that would be legend. Imagine Chris surfing. What's that? Miles, last week Thursday I made $300 off your trade. Hey, you shouldn't be taking my trades because I always lose, and also we don't give financial advice. But GG's though. Miles, seeing your coffee order was already red flags. But you know what? I always see people fishing there. Like, how is it? Like, do you guys catch stuff? Hey, Mo, we never get loose. Super sharky. Wait, in Cape Town or something good? Nah, miss me with everything that has to do with riding a skateboard in the water. I'm good. Yo, trader gets eaten by a shark whilst in Cape Town. I don't want that to be on the news. Next thing you know, I'm on one of Rydel's videos. Or Rodeo's videos. Trader gets eaten by a shark while in Cape Town.
From being a shark
Sure.
to being shark food.
Sure.
Quack attack.
I'm just about like, what in the Donald Duck is going on now?
Dude, NCS doesn't stream anymore. I don't know why.
Yo,
I
the
don't
waves
know
was
why.
high and the wave knocked me off the cheese. Hectic. Lindy, you must let me know when you're going again. I think we must have a session. Quote me first. We'll pay money to. Me too. I will. I'll pay money to see Chris on the surfboard. Actually, I would pay money to see Ed on the surfboard.
Impilo, it's 14 days after your first withdrawal, my brother. So after your first withdrawal, it's 14 days. You can ask the rest of the gents that have gotten multiple payouts. So you don't have to expect it, it's already there. If you go into the FAQs, bi-monthly, basically meaning every 2 weeks.
Okay, Chad, here we go. So we got 4 minutes to hourly close. You might be entertained very soon. I'm simply just waiting for the closure above. And for me personally, depending how the candle closes, if it's going to close something like this, I'm going to do break of the highs. If it's going to close weak, I'm going to do flip of the candle.
Chris, do you own Vault now? No, my bro. If I own Vault now, I would most probably be in the Bahamas sipping pina coladas, feet in the air. Actually, I have 2 people next to me feeding me grapes, but I'm here in the dungeon. I'm here in the engine room.
They'll be feeding you flakes.
So, unfortunately not. I would love to own it. I'm not going to lie. I would absolutely love to own it, but no. I got in on gold at Asia lows. Happy days. Beautiful, my brother. Project G. Free education. Betaal je rekeninge. Kan nie kla nie. Kan nie kla nie, julle. This is giving me like some jazzy fizzle vibes as well. Eh?
Go easy, bro. Take it easy.
Oh, hola. Hola.
Miles and brother. I caught a catfish once by something good linen, but I ended up letting go because I was pregnant.
With emotion or
Not like
legit pregnant.
that. She had
Preggies.
caviar coming out the bums.
Pregalito.
Right, Chad. Just in case I get the trade early, this is not financial advice. Don't take my trades. Just be entertained and learn. If it's going to close relatively strong, I want to see a decent bottom wick, boys. Is gold manipulating right now? Tank down. Only time will tell, bro. Bagged auto worldwide. Do you guys bag cars? Bagged auto. Do you guys bag cars? We definitely do it this year. We've seen quite a lot of interest on the Jersey side of life. quite a lot of you guys are that side, so we definitely will do it. Due time. There's the close. Relatively strong closure on the 30. So for me personally, I'm needing to see price come down first. I need to see. I have to see that. I have to. So patiently just waiting right now. Like I say, guys, I need to pull back. So not yet. I'm not executing just yet. I am simply just waiting for a solid bottom wick. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the flip of the 30. 28.69.25. So I just want to see it pull it back a little bit more. If we can do so, I will go ahead and pop in those buys. Kopasier. Kry vir jou grandpa.
Bar stops.
Not yet. I need price to pull back a bit more, man. It's a bit too.
That's fair.
Yeah, I need just a little bit more. So for me, it's not buy stops yet. If it just starts driving, I'm gonna go manual execution. But if it can give me a decent pullback, see like that, that's nice. There we go. Come on, Goldie. Right, Chad, I'm gonna go ahead and drop a buy stop here.
I thought you said you're gonna drop a deuce.
Drop a deuce. So 28.69.25. I have pending buy stops right there. 30 pip stop loss for a 10 smack gain. Let me just do this quickly. 28.69. 25. Target 1, obviously, which is my full target. Unless I see some solid volume, will be my 10 bag. And then the rest to run to QP for 57 pips. But this is beautiful. This pullback is exactly what I want. Why I'm saying so now, and I can prepare your ideas now already. If this is price faking out, I won't be in. You understand? So that is why I'm very adamant about candlestick anatomy, guys. It's huge for me. Because if this starts to pull back down and close beneath here, I'm going to short, and then this will no longer be a no trade range. Does it make sense? Because at that point, we're going to engulf this. And this will be price grabbing volume off of these highs. Okay. So let's see what happens. I have my buy stops there because if it flips, I want to be in. But on the contrary, if it doesn't and it starts to drive down and break those lows and close beneath you on the 15 at least, I'll short it.
Whoa.
Straightforward, guys, eh?
Check now.
Okay, boys. That's me in on gold buys right now. 30 pip stop loss, 10 pip gain. I do obviously anticipate price to drive further. But you know me. I'm a 10 pip guy. At 10 pips, I'll be out. Okay, NCS coming through something soft. I like it. I just realized that this is the first trade of the month. 30 pip stop loss and a 10 pip gain. Explain why you risk that much and aim for less. No, I don't want to.
Dude, I can't get Dow Jones. I can't get Dow Jones onto Bookmap for some reason.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Okay, no, it is selected.
I think there's a stop loss, Chris. It should be fine, right? Like
Just take out your stop loss.
Because I'll technically never lose then. Okay. That looks good. Thousand pip stop loss. That stop loss is too small, bro. I was thinking that same thing, bro. I need 100,000 stop loss. Based off of my ICT fair value gap SMC ratio, in alignment with my Bollinger Band and my Miles. Did you train stop loss? No, guys, I'm taking the piss right now. Just playing. If you watch us stream every day, you understand that I always risk a solid 30 pips to gain 10 every single day. I just can't be explaining why I trade negative aura every single day. I've explained it thousands of times. I've put a live journal as well so you guys can see it, the results. And I haven't had a losing month in 5 years. With a win rate of always 80% and above. I think last month we closed off 84%, I think. Let's double check. For me, I focus on the art of compounding. Compounding. Hope you're going to hold that stop loss, Miles, if things go south. 100%, brother. If I hit 30 pips, I don't mind. 100%. Late. That was accident, bro. So where gold is tapping now the whole time is this liquidity area right here. That's where I can see we are struggling to break through right now. We should at least come to this area, because that's your next area of liquidity.
Chad, sorry man, just struggling to get our bookmap back to where it was.
You change it.
No, so we had to get a new subscription, so I'm busy chatting to the lady bro, why?
Gold a bit slow this morning. Tickling. How are you doing?
Multi-book.
$15 close now. I don't mind a weak bearish close with the next candle giving me the type 5 idea. So something like this, price to close for something like that. Next candle to open up, miniature bottom wick, and then just to start ripping. That will be a type 5 anyway, so even if I hadn't have gotten involved now, I would have danced on the type 5.
Come on, bookmap.
Well, I think trading is the only industry where the other person is worried about how the next person does something. If something works for someone, why are you bothered? 100%, brother. That unfortunately is the industry. And that's why only 5% of people make it in this industry. Too many people are focused on what the next man is doing, trying to tell them they're doing it wrong, when they aren't even profitable yet. Focus on yourself, Baba.
I think it should be good once you get through this 2870.
2870.
It is holding that daily zone though. I've got a chat, just want to show you. I've got a little bit of a daily zone. Remember that daily zone we spoke about? So currently holding above there. Check there. So I think you guys should be good. And yeah, there's that daily zone. Just slightly above that 200 EMA, but you guys should be out long before then. And then also 30 holding that monthly pivot. So as a minimum, this thing should drive up about 25 to 30 pips minimum.
Okay, there's that 15 close. We want to see a bottom wick and price to start ripping to the upside. We don't need a strong pullback. We have the liquidity. We should just start popping off. Come on, baby.
Nasdaq struggling to get away. Nas, I think previous daily high, if we hold, like I said, could be super bullish. Could be super bullish. Also, one thing I would say, just gonna quickly go back to my screen and we can go back. Actually, we can go split screen. I haven't used split screen in a while. Let me just bring this to the right. Jexy, what I'm looking at is there's VWAP, there's previous daily high, there's your 200 EMA. So currently, I'm gonna say if we can hold above this zone, could see a nice little pop here on NAS. Definitely could see a nice pop. Breaks below here, bearish, but other than that, it is looking good. GJ, hey, koop my Asia low. Yo, Asia low. Ja nee, kerels, kan nie kla nie. Sissa, Linden and Rooks. Yo, boys, textbook. These are the days where it is incredible. Look at that. Daily pivot, Asia lows. Show. Yo.
Got my bot. TP hit.
Rooks.
Right, guys. Thank you for watching my vlog.
Let's just go back to Miles here.
That's another dub. Thank you for the support in the liefde.
Yeah, we did say at least 20 to 25 pips.
Daar pop hy.
And it did almost, what is it, 25?
She pumped
25? What was that?
20.
20, yeah.
19.2. Like a start to the month. GG's, boys. MFX members in the... Just let me know in the Zoom who caught that. GG's, boys.
Wait, yeah, there goes Nasdaq. Jexy. Let's check here. Jackarino. Jack. There's Sear. There's a nice retest. 200. Nice little pop here. So yeah, in all honesty, this thing should give you something. At least Asia has. At least Asia has. Okay, it's not really going. From there it's moved 18 points, so we're not buying jets yet.
March Madness live on stream. Here we go. Dubs and dubs.
I love how Miles is trying to do it away from the mic. Watch, man.
Watch, man.
You don't want to hear. You don't want to let the stream see what you say. It's like, go check my story.
Can check my story on IG. Miles Mondani, Yoshino. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother.
Hey, Lennon, thanks so much, my brother.
Hey. Koop my arm. Please do that. Rian, next week you're done. You've traded, you're done. More than Thank you, Jordan. Miles liking to buy more biltong. I'm gonna buy the whole scarp now. So much our scarp kop.
Hey, where's my book map? Ah.
Hey, Colin. What does it call? Fun employment. What is it? That sounds.
Oh damn! First day of unemployment, fun employment. Show.
Let's go.
It's either gonna make you or break you. Two sides to that coin.
Colin, we just. You just woke up, yeah. There's still that marks on his face from the pillow. Guys, gold for
There
me.
she goes.
Now that she's pumping through his resistance. For me personally, boys, I'm going to anticipate my quarter pump level, 2875. I accidentally moved that watch list. Is it right there, Chris?
All right.
No.
No, Chad, like we said, beautiful. There's that daily zone. And I said while we hold above it, as a minimum, we're going to go here. And Miles executed there. So there's 21. And if it gets to that 200 Asia highs. Beautiful trade, Miles. Very, very nicely done, my bro.
Thank you, my brother.
Little to no drawdown.
Oh, yeah.
Just idled a bit.
Oi!
Hey, Richard Channing. Kan nie kla nie, ouwens. Dankie vir die 140 Madiba ronde.
Nee, dankie, ou skitterend.
Skitterend, skitterend. Dankie, Richard. Ja, die ouwens gooi geld. Jy moet net koes. Die geld kom net in. Miles.
Sê net weer, ek sal dit weer doen.
Hey, kom maar nog 100 randjies vir jou. Chad, you guys gotta warn us when you start throwing bags at us. Oei, nee, nou raak die ouens sommer hier mekaar se karakters. Sommer
Chad, but check this out. I think this is fair, right? We've provided you with great entertainment. Not a winning trade, because this was a losing trade. We don't win trades, so don't take our trades.
ja.
But if you can do us the favor
Ja.
and hit that like button,
Ja,
it's simple, bro.
I'm done.
220 people watching at least. Let's say let's get a 150.
Do you think that like button is hidden? Like they can't see it?
I think
Huh?
it burns them. Like
Oh,
they don't want to.
Oh, you get like a little shock
Yeah.
on it. I don't know why. It's guys are super.
Speaking about
afraid.
shock, I accidentally almost tased my brother yesterday. I didn't know it was on, and I held it next to him. This man just starts running. He's a bzzz. My brother starts spotting. I didn't know it was on. My bad, bro. If you're watching my stream, my bad, dude. We can do 150, boys. I'm very sure we can do 150. What? How did we go from donating to touching peepees? What is going on here? 11.3. I like it.
Hey, Chad doing a little chat on chat violence. Oh, oh, little chat on chat.
Chat on chat.
A little
Peach
chat
on peach.
Peach on peach action going on, yeah. Sometimes it's like a movie. Quit my one tap. All right, Chad. Giving you guys some ASMR as well, yeah, with the bellies.
Yeah, I think Brian and Roche, maybe join Ed for some water polo.
Yeah. Chad, we gotta stop it there. Boys to men. All right, Chad. Real talk here, quickly. Nasdaq, as mentioned, previous daily high holding, 200 EMA holding. We've got quite a few levels to get through here. A little slower than usual. I'm just waiting for our bookmap data. Should be back up and running this afternoon. US 30 also back at a 200. No real level to trade from. DXY, quite a bit of bearish momentum here from that daily key level. But it's Monday, guys. Still a long week ahead. Miles gave you guys a nice trade there. I think it's running 6 for 6. 6 for 6, huh? Kan ik klaar nie, ouwens?
I think we're more than that now. Hold on, let me check. I think
7 vir 7.
ek dink hy is bietjie meer, John.
Dink jy is bietjie. Bro, in Cape Town, me and you, only Afrikaans. Only Afrikaans.
Dis in die hak, John. Where is this? I didn't show you did I show you the link to the journal? I think I did WhatsApp with you. Chris, where's Chris?
What are you going to send me now?
I just want to check, because I want to give you the journal. The live journal.
Chad has mentioned GJ. I said it is going to be choppy inside here. Currently holding that level. Asia lows now. 189 holding. Already gave a nice bounce there. Almost 17 pips. Nice reversal play off the EQ. 189. Let's say Asia lows was your advantage point. Me personally, I wouldn't have taken that, even though it did give sufficient pips. I would say the safer bet here for me is this. All right.
Okay, including today.
Like a ASMR.
Today is the win number 10 in a row.
Oh.
Yeah, win number 10. Last
10 is 10.
Where's this thing now?
10 wins in a row.
Oh shoot! So January was a 82% win rate. Last month was a 89% win rate, with 3 losses and
Marlon. If I'm being very honest, my brother,
3 losses and 17 wins.
asking for financial advice in a chat on a stream that is supposed to be purely for education and entertainment is not the right thing to do. You're only gonna get wrong answers.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the best. If for me personally, if someone's asking a question like that, that means
Hey
shouldn't be
everyone,
trading at that point.
I have 5k. How much should I risk per trade? Marlon? No.
What you should do is invest in
port.
yourself. No.
Full port.
Invest in yourself, get educated, brother.
Use the margin. I did say, I disclaimed, only wrong answers.
On your own. Just invest in education, my brother. Learn
I
out,
like
learn the
it,
skill,
Jordan.
get the skill.
One shot, one opportunity to seize. So
You
yeah,
only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This
wait,
opportunity
what is that song?
comes in a one time. It's Eminem,
8 Mile, no?
Lose Yourself. Yeah, Eminem, Lose Yourself.
Okay.
I say.
That this song is for Marlon Boyson, baby. 5k pop. 5k pop.
Risk 100 by the end of the.
But we gotta give him a trade for that 5k. Let's think about what we can trade there.
Trade AUD MXN. Australian dollar against the Mexican pesos.
Wait, let's give him a. Five flips, Miles. 5 flips. You hear what he said there? Do not miss your chance to blow. Because you don't want to make money. This is a chance to blow. This is a chance to blow the money.
This is shit.
Ja. Yo, what a song, dude.
Yeah, treffer.
Treffer.
Ja, hij is de treffer.
Yo. All right, Chad. I think that's how we can respond now to financial advice.
Numbers.
Is, you give only wrong answers. You say this will only be wrong answers, and you back it up with a song.
Yeah.
That could be a way.
And if we in long drawdown, you play, I think it's UB40. I keep holding on.
Yeah,
Is it?
yeah.
I keep holding on. And if we feel like we're the only bra in the trade, we can play Akon Lonely.
Lonely.
I'm Mr. Lonely.
No, sorry. Where's the brother? Sorry, I hope you don't lose him now. Marlon, it's just vibes, my dude. Unfortunately, we cannot give financial advice. We can actually. Technically, I can give financial advice. The only issue is if you have to follow the correct procedure. I need to be mandated with you as a client to give you financial advice. That's the first thing. Second thing is I need to do a record of advice of the advice I give you. And then I also need to state whether you've actually applied the advice that I've given you. And with that, I also need to do a risk profile on you as a client to make sure that you are actually suited for an investment. So there's a lot that goes into providing financial advice. And for me, the lines are still heavily blurred for a live stream, because how do I do all of that before I take my position and before Miles takes his position? We are purely just taking our trades in real time, showcasing it without even saying a word. Miles can enter a trade. Let's say we aren't allowed to say anything about the trade. He can just bring up his terminal and he can execute the trade, and you'll hear a noise. You'll see a buy, whatever. So for me, it's a little bit weird. I still don't fully understand what it is they want in terms of that. Happy to engage with the FSCA if it gets to that stage, but we've done all of the disclaimers and all of the rest, but it's still very, very blurred for me. I don't fully understand the protocol. Like your standard financial advice, that is clear. It makes a lot of sense. That's perfect. But in terms of live streaming, I don't know. I am not 100% sure. Bro, the weird thing is, people will make financial decisions based on a chat that they had with someone on Instagram or Discord. They'll be like, "Oh, so you thinking this is a good investment? Okay, wait, how do I do it? Here's my crypto address. Oh, crypto? You guys use crypto? Yana, we advanced. Oh shit. Okay, I just sent you all of that, and then boom." Chad, come on, we gotta be better than that. We gotta be better than that. Gareth, this is purely for funded traders. Yes, correct. Red folder news events, 3 minutes before, 3 minutes after. You cannot execute fresh positions and you cannot close positions within that window.
Miles, do you teach your students to take 10 pips per trade as or no, brother? I teach them how to DJ. I can't. Now we're done. Totally done. Yes, brother. So I teach my students how to trade the way I do. We have students that obviously target more and stuff like that, but the main thing is that I educate them how to trade the way I do. My course and my mentorship and my one-on-one session is all on how I trade. So I groom them into that point. Yeah.
No, man, Chad, we're just having some fun here. Sorry, man. Mr. Bryson, sorry. I do summer DJ. Yo.
But have you seen it though? Like everybody's becoming a DJ right now.
Is that the new
Everybody's a DJ.
Who now? Traders or just people in general?
Traders and people. All becoming DJs.
Is that like the new side
It's
hustle?
the in thing right now.
Quip my set.
Quip my set. Wiki. Quip my set. Yeah.
Guys, what are you eating? We are eating.
Pubs. We're eating pubs, man.
We're eating infused biltong, infused with the luscious flavor of paprika, some grounded pepper combined with Celtic sea salt, found in the Celtic depths.
I also found mine.
Dived out by young Irish juveniles that are on death row, and this is their life. They dive and they pick up the salt.
Mine was imported all the way from a Scottish butchery, brought into South Africa, and what they did was they put it on a spa shelf in a pakkie.
What way did you? Bro, I see what you did there. I see what you. Yeah, it's a pakkie in Afrikaans. It's a pakkie chips of. But you almost caught me off guard. You almost. When I had it, were you referring to a pakkie like they put it in a pakkie? Okay, yo, my dude, you had me nervous there for a minute.
I didn't want to get choked again.
Yo. The boys are living on edge here.
I thought DJ was a new trading strategy.
Vegan biltong. Serato takes all the hard work away from DJ. What is Serato though? Is it like software?
What's that?
Serato, is that like a software for DJs?
I have no idea, to be honest.
Chicken biltong is not bad if you had it.
Yes,
It's honestly not bad.
It's a bit hard though.
It is hard. It just gives me a little bit of the... When I see it and I think, yeah, this was a chicken fillet that is now a piece of biltong. No,
It's uitgedroogd.
een klein bokkompie.
Like a bokkom vis. Tarek, are you gonna take us for some bokkom?
When your lips are so dry, it looks like a bokkom.
That's what it is. Oh, it's easier. I used to use when I used to DJ. I was a DJ in high school for like 2 weeks.
Did you DJ as
For
well?
2 weeks, yeah. I'd use.
Did you only DJed for 2 weeks?
2 weeks, yeah.
Was that the span of your career?
That was my career.
So it was like...
It was like an equity curve that was super steep, and then all of a sudden, bang.
Have you seen those small crackers that just go like... So was that.
It was like that, yeah.
Quick start, quick ending. Why did you stop though?
I was cuck.
Oh really?
It just wasn't. Nah, I was like, nah, I'm doing this shit.
There's Miles. Hey guys, it's Miles from Vac. I just prepared this set for you. What were you driving? What were you driving at that stage?
I was in high school. So I was driving Bata Taffies.
I prepared this set in the back of my mom's car. Only using a BlackBerry phone. That was BlackBerry days, eh?
Oh, wait, I used to DJ dubstep.
And it's dubstep for you. Yo, what was your DJ name? What was it?
Right.
Come on, I'm gonna. Okay, you see, you already started tough with that name. That's like
That is my problem, bro.
DJ Maldrix. DJ Maldrix is here in the house.
Oh, shit.
I'm raw dogging this set for you guys. They don't have a tape player. Sad.
Tough. Oh, I should give virtual DJ a hard time, bro.
Ah, Chad, DJ. Shit.
Damn, bro.
Shit. Guys, DJing. DJ Millie Miles. Yo, Shoelace Express. Flap.
I did upgrade, though. I upgraded to grasshoppers. But see, times are tough, so we ever wore grasshoppers in high school. When that grasshopper
Bro.
becomes cambered
Oh,
and
yeah.
it just leans to the side,
It's like...
I was holding on for dear life, bro.
Okay, bro, but quick one. Why? I don't know if it was at all schools, but at my school, all the colored dudes had carry more bags and grasshopper. Was that was that just like a chosen thing that colored people decided, like collectively, we only use carry more bags for our school bags
It
and the
depends.
grasshoppers?
If you went into more like the deeper colored areas, would be
Yeah,
carry
yeah.
more.
Yeah,
A little bit of the white colored areas would be Red Mountain.
Red Mountain. What is the Red Mountain? Chad, what I'm talking about, this was like when you see this. Let's say this bag got lost. You're not looking for a white guy.
No.
You know this is one of your colored mates, but
And
it's a very specific one.
And you know how we used to move that thing with Tipex?
Yeah.
Yo.
You did some art, but it was the one with the little side bags. Let's just check.
The right on top. There's there on the right. Jaguar waterproof rugzak.
This one.
I
Yeah.
see.
Yeah. Red Mountain.
Yeah, I was a Red Mountain dude. I don't lie to you.
Oh, so the Red Mountain was the more. Okay, but wait.
Red Mountain Urban 20.
let's
Yo,
get-
this was my bag, bro.
But where's the carry more? No, but these aren't the ones that I've seen. They had like these big side pockets, and it
That was
had
the-
like a little bubble, eggshell in the middle.
Yeah, that was the caramel.
But why am I not seeing it, my brother?
Let me check it for you.
Oh, here's it. No, but it's also Red Mountain. It looks very similar to the Red Mountain.
It's just the top was pop. Like
Yeah.
the roof was very pop.
Chad, it was.
Here's it, found it.
Where did you find it? Okay, let's go over to Miles. Yeah, there's it. Quickly enlarge it there for the guys. Chad. Carrymore Falmon 20. There you go. There's
There you
it.
go. DJ Sanix. Hey.
I just walked with my Carrymore Falmon 20, carrying my entire set. Yes, Chad, these were the days. I wonder if it's still a thing, though. Do you think it's just like embedded in the colored community? Like this is, you go to high school now, it's like sun.
And it must be the
Yes.
colorful one, not just plain black. It has
Yeah,
to be
the
colourful.
purple,
Yeah.
the grey. Here's your Carrymore Falmon 20, and it's like everyone at home is just like a Miles. Geniet hom.
You
Geniet
got a
hom.
caramel, me, bro? Yo.
No, you don't find it. But was this like a collective thing all over South Africa, or was it purely at my school? Was it all
No,
over?
it was
A collective thing,
Like
okay.
it was. The thing is, how it happened was,
How do we trace it back to who
if
started
you
it?
know that broadcast messages, if you didn't share it, you would have like bad luck in love.
Yeah.
It was one of those. So somebody sent out there like,
No,
yo,
they're lying.
you have to have a Carrymore or Red Mountain, otherwise you're not colored enough. So, chalk you. I had to have it.
Nasty, my dude.
I had to have it.
Brandon, there was this one guy, Joey, I'll never forget him. So at my school, you had your register class. So if you've got an off period, you have to go to your register class. And I'm sitting there, and this one colored dude, he doesn't take off his bag. That thing doesn't touch the ground. Like he grabs his books and stuff out like this,
So
and he keeps it on his back.
Excalibur.
I'm like, yo, you know, I touch it up for is like, nah, this bag does, bro. From the morning till the evening, that bag does not leave his back. It's like molded to him. Oh, Joey.
Miles, you look like that guy that walked the grasshoppers and walked the sides of I Am. I was a heavy guy as well. When I was in high school, I weighed over 100.
But can't you take it for them to just re-level it, like just sand it?
You can, yeah. But
I could never. I wanted to. I am that guy. I wanted to get a carry more and grasshoppers. Couldn't get my size. They don't make a size 14 grasshopper.
But that's the thing.
Do they make it? Let me see. Maybe now is my time.
I think they
Let me
do.
see.
Here's my
Grasshoppers.
thing though. Also, why I didn't get them redone was when you wear grasshopper and you play soccer, you get 99 shot accuracy, 99 finesse, 99 sprint. You the guy. Unless it's raining, then you fucked.
Bro, do you think if I ask Grasshopper to make me a 14, and I only go, bro, wait.
This is what had to be on the Red Mountain or the Canmore.
Oh, the S. Yes, what is that, like an S or something?
I'm trying my best to do it, but
Yeah, that's it. It's an S. But what is it though?
no idea. No idea.
Bro, everybody did it. Even on your space case, the Tipex was on there.
What is die goed? Ah, ek doen hom.
Yes, I can't find the grasshoppers. Do you think they'll do a size 14?
Yo, bro.
I think that's a tough ask.
Yeah, that's a long ask.
Yes, but a grasshopper, dude, this thing is imprinted in history. They can never change the style of it, eh? You know it. This is, dude, they've got a size 13.
Miles space case. Yeah, no. It wasn't that tough, brother. Maybe for you, but not for me. It wasn't that tough. We know you didn't tie your laces. Yeah, no, we don't tie. We don't tie laces. We used to smoke people's backpack in high school.
Yeah, they only have these ugly grasshoppers, my dude.
You know how big a size 14 grasshopper would be, though?
No, I know, but look, they only have these. Yo.
Like, you would be walking down and a corner would come and you'd see Chris' shoes
Coming
before you
around
see
it.
him.
But I think we can bring these back, Miles. What do you rate?
Definitely.
In the winter, think this grasshopper, a nice skinny jean with like a lacquer jersey, like an oversized jersey.
I'm with you.
Huh?
But when we walk in the office, we have to play the Sarafina intro song. Definitely.
Yo, you see, this thing already comes with a little bit of character already. You see those crinkles?
They wore it already.
Yeah. It's like they actually took it off somebody's feet and they resold it now. They just basically polished them up. How do you get a shoe that's already crinkled a little bit without you wearing it?
Yes. And look how it's crinkled as well. Someone sat on that shoe. Grasshoppers are 3K now. It can't be. No ways.
Grasshoppers. Okay, so this
No,
is...
but it's $900.
Okay, let's see a size 13 quickly. Let's see a size 13 quickly. Okay.
Don't try this yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
Dude, I would rock
It
these.
stops as a 12.
No, these are 13. Check.
Hey. Look, grass is a nice shoe. Like, it's dope.
What, this one, yeah?
Yeah. Yo. That's definitely giving me like Red Indian vibes.
Must I not get these?
Nah.
Which ones must I get?
You know what?
Okay.
A couple months ago, Shelf Life released nice ones. Old school vibes, but they had like a pattern on it. Let me see if I can. Here we go, Chad. I don't know if you saw this collab with Shelf Life. Grasshopper collab with Shelf Life.
Just chat to me. Must just clean you in front as well. Just tell him.
Just quickly go on this screen there, Chris.
Clean there in front.
This
I check.
is the
Okay.
This is the
But
vibe.
what is the fit with that? What are you doing with that?
Yo, I think I'll definitely do like a jean in a jersey.
But like a solid jersey, just like a black jersey, or like checkered patterns.
Tell you
or-
what, if I had to slant these brown ones,
Yeah.
I would do like a skinny denim.
Yeah.
Not skinny, but like a nice fitted one.
brown shirt.
And then a jersey.
Okay, but let's say it's not winter. It's
summer.
It's like
Um,
you can't do a jersey. You can only do a shirt.
I'll do a golfer. Like a golfer.
A golfer.
Yeah, golf shirt. I don't actually know.
Where did you find these?
Shelf Life. This they had like a
A little
collab.
special edition.
Yeah. They're actually really nice though. I tried to get a pair when they were released.
Sold
but
out.
They sold out. Yes.
Bro, for some reason, all of the guys in grey, this was their school shoe. It was like the opposite of the traditional grasshopper. They were
I
like,
remember
this is what you need to wear.
I remember that.
You remember it?
I remember that.
Grey
shoe.
High School. This was their shoe of choice. This is what I had. So Chad, I'm not even lying to you. I had one pair of school shoes from standard 6 to matric.
Sure.
One pair. And it was this bad boy.
A Bova.
They
Don't
can't
tell me you wore Bova.
They can't talk shit about a Bronx, my dude. This thing is an absolute the D1. Chad, listen, the D1, my dude. Dude,
Man came to school with a Bova.
did I call it a Bova?
We call it Bovas, yeah. Gee whiz, that is crazy. That's like, that can be classified as a safety shoe.
Bro, this thing. But here's the thing, though. It will last you 5 years. This thing put in my. I have to say, the last 2 months, every third day I had to go to the workshop just to glue gun the sole because it was starting to get loose. But
We would call those daga trappers. Yo.
Chad, who else had these? These were like a staple.
We call that the foot trigger.
Yes, Chad, the Bronx.
Yesterday.
Holy smokes.
that must have looked dangerous in a size 14.
Yeah, but here's the thing. You know what's weird? The shoe, the shape actually changes because once you start walking off the sole, it starts to flatten out a bit, and then the shoe also molds a little bit. So you'll buy it like this, but if I had to show you the ones after 5 years, you would think it's a completely different shoe.
Try and
But
pretend that
nah.
I need to change.
Nah, Bronx, you have to give. I don't know why. That was, again, like maybe that was a white
But did
people.
you-
This was a white people thing.
100%.
Of Scorpio Bronx,
Yeah,
jongen,
yeah,
man.
that's a Bronx. And a Bronx with a buckle. You remember the Bronx with a buckle?
We weren't allowed to have it. I had one, but
Yo.
that was for the weekends.
The Bronx with a buckle, my guy.
The Bronx with the buckle was we weren't allowed
God,
to
God,
we weren't
God.
allowed to wear it at school. So I actually did like a Lewis Hamilton fit with the buckle. If you think about
I used to have to just like remind myself what this looks. Oh, Bronx met die buckle. Is hier 'n buckle op? Ja, nee, ek het 'n buckle op.
where's Lewis? Lewis pulled it off the other day with these big
Polisieman skoene.
bro, Lewis has got some of it's questionable. Like for instance, I don't know. This
Yeah,
I don't
that's not. It's gonna. That's a miss from me, dude.
Yeah, he's got a Bronc on. Check it out, Bronc.
Bronchi. That looks like a Doc Martin.
That is that is a Bronc. Yeah, Steve, what is he doing here? That's also a Bronc.
Jeez, what is that?
That is a Bronc, my dude.
That's them lean on me's.
This looks like, this is an outfit I'll wear. This looks like, it's like a Yeezy almost. I don't know if that
I
almost
don't know
look
about
like
that.
a skirt.
Don't know about that Scottish kilt.
Yeah, it's like, oh my man, Hamilton. All right, Chad. Okay, let's quickly. Okay, gold back in that range. Didn't hardly moved. You guys caught the move. It retraced. It's literally back at the open level, so you didn't miss much. Nasdaq, beautiful analysis here this morning. I didn't take a trade, Chad. I was a little bit off my game this morning with the internet being off, us starting off late, not having bookmap at my side. So for me, it was just a little bit all over. And I'm not just going to throw money at something if I'm not completely locked in. But beautiful analysis. I know some of you caught this. And if you didn't catch it, join the streams. All of this information is shared with you on a daily basis. GU, Linden and Rooks. I know you boys were all over this. Just confirm in the chat for me, Rooks and Linden. This is your setup, guys. If I think Asia range, I think Rooks and Linden Knight. Why? Because they have been absolutely smashing it. All right. Yo.
This playlist is dedicated to Playland Carnival.
GJ as well, Chad. I mentioned holding 189, beautiful institutional level. Closures back inside of the Asia range. So again, analysis playing out beautifully. I don't need to hold your hand for you to take a trade. We give you the consensus. We give you the ideas. You just need to execute. Miles gave you a beautiful trade there as well. And then we'll see you guys this afternoon. Hey Miles, what do you rate?
Ja nee, dit was 'n skitterende dag.
Lekker,
Kan nie kla
lekker.
nie. Ons het ons trade gevat, toe wen ons. Ja nee, kom maar na huis toe gaan hoor.
All right, Chad. Do apologize for earlier this morning with the internet issues. Should be fine now for the rest of the day. A new month, so taking it easy as well. First day trading of the new month, I believe.
Ja,
Am I
first
right? Yeah,
day
yeah.
of the month.
So it's almost like month-end flows. You're going to have some moves at the beginning of the month. So take it easy. Still have a long week to go. You don't want to get yourself into trouble. Chris, currently Vault spreads on currency pairs are cuck. Are they doing something about it? Dylan, we are not associated with Vault markets in terms of the business side.
Nope.
We've given our recommendation last year already on their currencies. We tried our best, my brother. It is out of our hands. We've said it multiple times in terms of indices. Their spreads are honestly the best on NAS and US30. We can't talk any bad about it. Currencies, they are lacking. We did give our suggestion. What they do with it is up to the management at Vault Markets. But in terms of the spreads and the execution and the rest on Vault Funder, incredible. But Chad, we'll see you guys at 4 p.m. Miles, thanks so much, my brother.
Cheers boys, see you guys tomorrow.
Cheers.
Dancing, I know you're a Dan. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic. We both know it right away. When I see you dancing, I know you're a Dan. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic. I feel this vibe goes from my heart right to my fingertips. My fingertips. Oh,
Cape Town seminar, guys. You will get an email today. But yeah, program will go out today and tomorrow for not this weekend, for next weekend. Friday starting at 12, Saturday starting at 10 o'clock in the morning. So Marlon, there you go. We'll also give more updates on our socials. So thanks so much, Chad. Peace and love, baby. See you guys at 4.